Come on. I got you.
More games?
Not quite. Just something I think you would benefit from knowing.
What the hell is all this?
None of these were here 3 days ago.
Is this what you wanted to show me?
C-virus. That's what the gorillas were calling it.
C-virus. That must be what's creating those Chihuahua.
What happened?
Another bioterrorism attack. The BSAA confirmed it was the same one used in Eastern Europe 6 months ago, called the C-virus.
Hunnigan, I need you to fake our deaths. Can you do that?
What are you going to do?
We're going to China. Sherry, what are you doing here?
I'm on protective detail. Why are you here?
I'm tracking the men behind all this.
What? We met? No, you jarheads all look the same to me, pal. Sorry. You know, those shots of yours packed one hell of a punch, lady.
So, you're Wesker Jr.
You lost me.
Albert Wesker was a colossal imbecile. A fool who tried to destroy the world. He was also your father. Which makes you heir to a very special blood type. Here's something to remember you by.
No, goddammit!
Looking for me, boys?
You can't run forever. Put your gun down, Chris. She's a key witness. We need her.
A witness? She's the one who did all this!
Biohazard 6.